to Bistro. Today we are going to learn how to create Lite license. Lite license is a feature wherein you can give your customers temporary access for this create Lite license. Click on the menu option available on the top left of the screen and then click on create Lite license. You have two options available, free version and the paid version. While you are on the free version, click on the button create free store. This will generate a QR code. You can now share this QR code with your customers via WhatsApp, or you can download it and print it. To create the paid version of the Lite license, click on the paid version option and then click on the button create Lite license. Now fill in the customer details you wish to create the Lite license for. Once you have entered the customer details, click on the create button and then click on next. Now select the number of days you wish to give the access for by selecting the dates. Click on next. Now select the scene from our vast collection. Click on next. Select the catalog you wish to share with your customer. Click on next. Click on the button save license. You can now share the Lite license and this access code with your customers via WhatsApp, SMS and email.